Hey everyone, I'm Joey. Today I'm going to teach you how to make some simple one balloon bracelets. With this design you can make a turtle bracelet, a ladybug bracelet, a mouse bracelet. There are a lot of cute creatures that you can make out of this bracelet style, so I'll jump straight into the tutorial. If you appreciate that, smash that like button for the YouTube algorithm. It really helps my channel and it's a super small free way that you can show your support. You can also subscribe to my channel for some more balloon tutorials, personal finance, and business tips. Some supplies you're going to need are a dual action hand inflator, one 260 size balloon twisting balloon. Links to both of those items can be found in the description below. You'll also need a Sharpie for drawing some Sharpie art on your cute little creatures. Once you've gathered your supplies and smashed that like button, let's get started. For these bracelets, we're only going to inflate our balloon to about 5 inches. So we're going to have a really long tail on this balloon. I'm going to do green for a turtle bracelet, but you can also do red for a ladybug or gray for a mouse. For the ladybug and the turtle, I don't want to see this nozzle, so the first thing I'm going to do is to hide this nozzle in an ear twist. I've got my 1-inch bubble. I'm holding my nozzle with the same hand that I'm holding the rest of the balloon. I'm going to use my free hand to lift up this bubble and twist it around a few times. This is going to be my turtle's head. Now I'm going to make 4 consecutive 1-inch bubbles or smaller for 4 feet of this turtle. So now I have 4 1-inch bubbles or smaller for my turtle feet, and the rest of this balloon is going to be the turtle shell. So you want it about 2 to 3 inches. You don't want a ton of air in the balloon right here. So as you're making these turtle feet, keep that in mind that the remainder of your balloon is going to be your turtle shell. Now I'm going to connect this last twist that I made with the first twist that I made. Pinch them together and twist around my feet. Now what I'm going to do is stick the tail of my balloon through these 4 feet. I'm going to pull this all the way through until this bubble right here hits the back legs. So now we have our basic turtle shape, and the rest of this tail right here is going to loop around the head and through the front legs and the body to connect to create that bracelet. There we go. So my wrist is a little bit bigger than a 3-year-old's hand. So if you're giving this to someone with a very small wrist and it seems to kind of be flopping all over the place, you can also double it around like a hairband by pulling it around, twisting it, and sticking their hand through one more time, and that will create a little bit more tightness. I like to decorate my turtle shell with a bunch of spirals. I'm not really sure why spirals became my go-to decoration for the turtle shell, but you can do whatever you want with yours. Remember, you can always make fun of my designs in the comments below. Now I'm going to draw some big eyes and a nice wide smile because I think that looks cute on this small turtle. There we go. Here's the same shape, just decorated differently, like a ladybug. And if I decide I'm going to make a mouse out of this, the only difference is I inflate the balloon a little bit more because right after my first bubble, I make 2 ear twists. Those are the big mouse ears. I also don't hide this nozzle when I'm making the mouse because I think it works well as a mouse nose. So to make this mouse, I do 1 bubble, another bubble that turns into an ear twist, a second 1-inch bubble that turns into an ear twist, and then from here I make the body the same, so 4 1-inch bubbles followed by the body that gets pulled through. So for this mouse, you actually don't even need to turn it into a bracelet if you don't want, because this long tail on the balloon works well as a mouse tail. I add some cute little eyes and some whiskers, very basic Sharpie art. So these are some examples of some great bracelet shapes that you can make using only 1 balloon. Thanks so much for watching. If this was helpful, don't forget to hit that like button for the YouTube algorithm. It really helps my channel and it's a super small free way that you can show your support. You can also subscribe to my channel for some more balloon twisting, personal finance, and business tips. Hit that notification bell to be notified every time I post a new video, and let me know in the comments below what content you'd like to see next. Thanks so much for watching. I'm Joey. I'll see you next time.